Welcome to Adam's Flybox. Today I'm going to be discussing, if you're a bird hunter, how you can give your bird dog some exercise before season and even out of season. It really helps them a lot, and especially as the season's coming up and fall is pretty much here and bird hunting will be coming in November. This really gets my bird dog amped up. It's a great form of exercise for her. I don't really get to walk her all that much. She just does the backyard outside thing. But this is a very good exercise for your dog as long as they can swim. You don't have to have a pool. You can go to a pond or a neighbor's pool, or as long as you can get out and get your dog some exercise, get them really pumped up for the season. So just wanted to put out a quick video. Indiana is my charcoal lab, and she is an outstanding bird hunter. She is a lab. Labs are very quirky, extremely smart, but on the same hand, if you could let them out in the back and be like, there's a squirrel over there, and she'll run that way. All labs do it. If you own a lab or know a lab, you know what I'm talking about. Great dogs, perfect companionship. Just absolutely great with people. Indy, you want to go in the pool? Let's give her a run. So this right here makes my dog go bananas. So I'm gonna just flip it in and give her a little bit of exercise here. So for her first run, she always likes to walk in the pool. Don't know why, but now she's gonna start doing super dogs. Fetch here, fetch it here, drop. Drop. Sit. Stay. Ready? Go. Fetch here. Come. Yeah, shake. Drop. Sit. Ready? This is a good exercise for the dogs. Get them running around and they're having fun, so they don't consider it exercise. That's here. Now let's see if we can give you the dog's eye view. Ready? Get it. Cheer. Stay. Back. Drop. drop, sit. As you can see, this is like, she would do this all day, non-stop. Fetch here, fetch here, 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 fetch here, fetch it here, sit, sit, no, sit your butt down. Ready? Great exercise. Get over here. Bring that over, fetch that over here. Great exercise for the dog. They love to do it. And it gets them ready for birdie hunting. So we can get some sustainably harvested birdies for fly tying. Fetch here. Sit. Butt down. Sit your butt down. Thank you. Come. Fetch here. Fetch here. Drop. Sit. Come here. Fetch here. Fetch here. Hand, drop, sit. Go. Thanks for the shower. We can do this all day. I wish I could do this all day. Sit. Good girl. Are you ready for birdies? Are you ready for birdies? You want me to throw this again, don't you? Fetch here. Hand. Sit. So these are some really good exercises that you can do with your dog. Fetch here. Bird dog. Come here. Good girl. And hopefully we'll be getting some videos harvesting some really nice fly tying material. Pheasants, maybe chuckers. Squirrels make great dubbing, and blue-winged olive fly tying material. Rabbits, she really doesn't particularly care as long as she can go get them. Thank you for watching Adam's Fly Box, and I hope this helped you out with getting your bird dog a little exercise out of season and or just before. You guys have a great day, and hopefully we'll be seeing you on a video or two with Indiana getting us some pheasants. Bye bye.